Hey, it's New Year's Day, December 31st, 2021. This is West Fryer in Oklahoma City. I am smoking the largest brisket I have smoked to date, an 18.5 pounder. It's been on the smoke for 10 hours. I did my usual overnight smoke. Actually got it on about 1 a.m. night, and let's see if I can put some of the pictures in. I went with my regular mustard binder, but before that I did a Kosmos injection, which you just add to either water or beef broth. You add like 1/3 of a cup to 2 cups and injected that. And then I also used this Black Ops barbecue brisket rub, which I've cooked one other time. So I'm excited to see how that turns out. So take a look. This has been on the smoke for 10 hours. It's probing at 160, 165, and it's ready to come off for the wrap. All right, so I've sprayed a couple times with a little apple cider vinegar, and look at that. It's just looking amazing. And so for the first time, I've made my own beef tallow. So I've just put some of my fat there, and so we're probing right at about 162 there. And so I'm using the Aaron Franklin method for the wrap, where I'm gonna put some beef tallow both on the plate or on the butcher paper, and then I'm also gonna put some on the brisket itself. Actually, let's probe and see what the flat is looking like. This is probably hotter. That's perfect too. So anyway, instead of buying or using some Amazon purchased beef tallow, it's like Wagyu beef tallow, I just put some of my fat trimmings over, and then I've smoked that, and so that's what I'm gonna actually put on. So let me get my other club on here and get this on the tripod, and we'll wrap this thing. All right, we have been on for 13 hours, and is that right? Yeah, it's almost 4 o'clock, and we're probing just over 200, and that's pretty much perfect. It's about probing 207, 208 here in the flat, and in the point just under 200. So that is freaking perfect. Now, the old beach towel we like to use, protect the cooler just a little bit. Take this baby off, and just lay her here in the old cooler, and it's time to cool off. Well, actually, it's just time to rest. All right, so I put the brisket on the smoker 17 hours ago, and we are ready to, well, it didn't stay on for 17 hours. It was actually a 13-hour cook, and it's had a chance to rest now for about 3 hours, if I'm doing my math right. So anyway, it's time to cut it open and see how we did. So this was the largest brisket that I have cooked. So this was 18.5 pounds untrimmed, and I actually did trim a fair bit of fat off of it, as I usually do. And then this was the first time that I used some of the trimmings to make my own beef tallow to wrap it in. So the flavor, I don't know. I've used Wagyu beef tallow after that, and before that. The dogs are thinking this is really smelling great.
He's licking it.
What I might actually do, Caroline, if you don't mind, sorry, it's greasy. You can just kind of fold that up and then kind of move that out of the way. Thought I could do it all. And then what side do I want this? That was fat side bottom. All right, so, yay. It was spectacular. All right, so take a taste. Okay, if brisket gets any better than this, no it doesn't. This is super, super moist, and so maybe, I don't know, when I've done the beef tallow at the wrap technique, my briskets have been, this is moister than you technically want to have, because this is just going to break apart. And Moose, you are going to get some here in a minute. That's still break apart. Anyway. I'm ready to eat. All right, let's feed the dogs.
Or is it done?
Mm-mm. No.
Okay.
Where's the ring? Sit. Rosie? All right,